Hello and welcome to Guardian TCG channel. As you can see, this is a very special box that I've been waiting for around 2 months actually. Ordered it in the middle of October and here we are, beginning January 2026, and here it is. Let's see what's inside. So I'm trying some new recording equipment and it's quite zoomed in, so I'm wondering how will it be seen in the video, but I'll try my best. Oops, sorry, a little cut over there. Never mind though. So this is how it arrives, and yes, it's a 24 booster box. Oh, there's some order information. Here it is, the booster box of Origin set Riftbound TCG game. Ordered directly from the Riot's Merc website. Okay. Ready? Here we go. Nice. So I'll try to actually open them in order, just this way, this way, this way, this way, you know. And let's see the luck we get. So booster number 1. I think I'll pause this for a moment and go for the scissors, just for the nice boosters. Yeah, I don't want to open them like this. Okay, let's see the first booster, first of all. I wonder if, since it's the second wave, they fix some errata, you know? Cleave. For the foil, Tasty Trifolk. I mean, Feyfolk. Sorry, that's some Magic the Gathering. And Tryndamere. This is good. I don't have any of this. Well, I have this skirmish promo from this one, for the one skirmish I went to. Okay, not that bad. I like this one. Now, let me make an invisible pose over here. I paused to get some scissors. Now I'm ready for the second one. Okay. So this way we can make this perfect cut over here. Oh, several cuts. Just to keep this one the most intact as possible. Okay, there is a rule card resisting a little bit. Okay, I've seen some shiny, probably a legend, at the bottom. Alright, so let's see together. Okay. Yeah, maybe it's a Teemo. Let's see. I think it's blue, one of the colors. Almost layer. Okay, Battlefield, I love it. Yeah, that's nice. This Teemo. Actually, have already on this channel World's Bundle opening, and I thought about doing a Teemo deck because of it. And my very first Sabotage. I've played a lot of Misfortune. Yeah, you got a sneak peek of another hit, a Time Warp. Hey man, this is insane after so many busters with bad luck. that I've been opening, you know, from tournaments and stuff. Now I get the luck over here. That's good news. And you have 2 guarantee showcase, I think, in a booster box, which I'm looking forward to. Wonder what we will get as in alternative art. Okay, so Wielder of Water. Okay, these are commons. I've already seen plenty of it. Nobody Fighting Pit. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, Sigil of the Storm. Victor, as for the legend, and there. Okay, just a regular one, I think. Okay. I need a better way of stacking this. I'll just move them outside of the screen. Doing several checks just to know if I'm recording correctly. Okay. I think it is, yeah, seems so. This is probably the biggest recording I'm doing so far. And the video will most likely be over 20 minutes. But hey, I hope someone finds this entertaining, you know, and happy to watch for a little bit. Just to see the lack of the others. And the printing contents. Stipify is always nice. Like Mind Color staple, right? Nice. And I think I've been looking for this one. I think I don't have it in my collection. So I'm getting very good luck with the boosters. Okay, here are the foils. Promising Future and Leona. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, so I think this is booster number 5. Just like the battlefield we've seen before, I think there's a gathering storm outside my place right now. But that will not stop us, right? Okay, Disintegrate. Falling Comet, also a very nice card for the Mind color. Okay, Targon Peak. Dangerous Duo, which is not foil. Okay, Thousand Tail Watcher, my first one as well. This is amazing. All the cards that I didn't get in the previous boosters, here they are. Chaos Runa that I wanted, because I was missing one for the 12 Chaos Runes set. Foxfire and Machine Evangel. I think I don't have any of this as well. Well, obviously I don't have the Ari signature one. Wow, this is so nice. You won't believe how lucky I feel right now. So this is how you gotta do. Just buy directly from Riot, I guess, as long as they have stock of it. Otherwise, loose boosters, they won't give you what you want. Booster number 6. Okay. So, Convergent Mutation, Mind Splitter, that's good. Oh yeah, this one is foil. Let me check the previous one once again. I love this one, by the way. So this is it. Oh yeah, it's alright. Sorry for being so paranoid, but if you've seen other of my videos, you know that I got 3 of them in a row, those issue boosters that are surprisingly popular. Oh, Booster number 7. 7 is a lucky number for some people. But I don't think it will be for me. I think we'll get better cards in the middle of the box or pretty much at the end. Who knows? Trifarian War Camp, good for tokens and Victor deck, I guess. Yeah, because I'm playing Misfortune, by the way, most of the time lately. And all those cards that deal 1 damage, like Flurry of Blades, it was impossible to remove tokens because of this battlefield. Okay, so we get a foil Stupefy, shiny one. Misfortune, which will make 3 of them in my collection, but I only play 1. And I wanted this one. Yet I don't know in which deck I'll put him in. Okay. Booster number 8. Oh yeah, by the way, the reason I'm off-centered this way is just because I want to make sure it's recording content correctly, and I'm trying the new equipment which doesn't let me move my hands so freely. I think this way should be okay, right? Altar of Unity. You have the Perish one, which was leaked not so long ago. Foil Rebuke, that's good. Soul Gorger. Okay. Oh, wow. This is my first showcase room. Yeah, after, I don't know, 20 or 30 boosters. Okay. Oops. Number 9, we have a legend over there, or maybe a signature spell. Okay, good. Actually, Charm was such a hyped common, but not anymore. People have learned it's not that good, I think, but it's still nice. Okay, we have first foil, Falling Star. Yeah, Nari. Okay. So I'm not sure how much Falling Star is worth it, but a lot of people are looking for it. So we get 9, and this is number 10. 2 more and we'll be by the half of the booster box. Okay. Jeweled Colossus. Okay. I'll need this one for the Timo deck I'm thinking of. Yeah, I think. The Tom and Leona Legend. Okay. Could be better, but still not bad. Okay, another shiny card. What do we get in this one? Okay, you don't want to spoil. Oh, Mistfall. I think this is the rare card that most people have. I think it's the most popular. Hi Mardingo. Okay, and okay. Triggering the Inferno. I don't know. I can't find any use for any of these cards in this booster. Not my style, you know. Blue-red, probably not the colors I'll play most. And this, guys, is half of the box with this booster number 12. Will we get one of the altered arts in here? Probably not. I bet they are at the bottom, like the showcase cards. Actually, we had one rune. Does this count for that statistic? Okay, Kijana. Good. I didn't have any, and I could make good use of them because I've played Listen and Misfortune. Both are orange, and not having any of those was horrible for me. Okay, and blue Teemo, but I want to make a mono chaos deck of Teemo, so I will not use that one. But hopefully in some other deck there will be place for him. Hey, get ready for the second half. By the way, this is how the box looks so far. Doesn't feel that empty. I wonder if you can hear the storm as well. Rain is starting. I like this kind of weather. What is still for me as well is stay at home weather. Okay. Voidgate. Really nice battlefield for Ani deck, I guess Kai'Sa deck as well, and Lux one. Fight of Light, Orange Dragon, Solar Shine, and Fury Rune. Wow. I mean, for foil cards, just Solar Shrine. It's not a fan favorite, right? A lot of people say it's a bad card, but I want to make Leona multiplayer deck, so those will go in for sure. This is booster number 14, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see what's inside. Okay, get excited. Okay. Sigil of the Storm. Okay. Singularity. Grand's Climb. King's Edict. Also my first one. Kog'Maw. I'm surprised I've never seen a Kog'Maw in play. Maybe it's because it's expensive for the effect he does. And not a lot of people can find a good place for that effect. Which is dealing damage to everybody in the battlefield as a Death Note trigger. Maybe it's just not the time for him right now. Probably after set 3. Who knows? Reina's greatest. Discipline. So foil Singularity. Kane, yes! I was looking forward to have one. And Ari. So this booster box so far gave me an Ari deck combination. Okay. Number 16. Up. Back alley bar. Perfect for ganking units. Okay, so I already spoiled. No way, Deadloom Predator. This is a very expensive one. About 50 euros right now. Now I'll probably find a good deck for it. So we got a good hit. That's probably half of the box value so far. Another legend, red one. Okay. Oops. It's hard to semi-shuffle them like this and not getting spoiled. For Charles, do you already know the card that's at the bottom, like the legend or signature spell? If you want to make a guess, write it in the comments. I'll start making those kind of cues. Okay, Blind Fury and Kai'Sa. Yeah. So it was red, both of them. And I'm not so excited about this one. Gonna be honest with you. I mean, I would love to play a Kai'Sa, like build my own deck of Kai'Sa, because it's a character that I like, not my one of the top 10 favorites for me, but I still like the character and I enjoyed playing it so much after the release of it. Battle Tree. I'll use these battlefields on Teemo deck, but the World's Bundle Edition. Bring here Thundersong. A lot of people have issues pronouncing this. Maybe I didn't pronounce it correctly, but at least I try and it's not so complicated. Good spell, don't have it. Probably the same goes for Volibear. Okay. Volibear is not played that much. So we have 6 boosters left. So this 18, right? Or 19, sorry. Yeah, 19. Still didn't see any showcase cards. Bacalibur foil, Anivia. Eva Achiever will be nice, even for the Renata deck that will be coming soon. So we got Calm and Fury runes in showcase. Does that mean we will not get any other showcase cards? I'll be a little bit disappointed, to be honest, if that's the case. This will see a lot of play after the second set arrives. Vanguard, Carnivorous Lapwine, Convergent Mutation. Not bad, not good either. I mean, Vanguard, lots of Jaswo and G players will probably love that card. It's a pleasant surprise for them when they can use it. Okay, booster number 21. Side ranks. And my first seal in a booster. Okay. Let me make a brief pause. Okay. Again, probably invisible cat over there. Not like this one. Just that unluckily I don't have a recording studio or a place that I can totally isolate from sounds. Okay, if this channel grows, maybe in the future I will make it more professional with some editing as well. Okay, so here are the foils. We have this coming over here, Commander Ledros. I wish I could see more of it also. Yeah, and this is the showcase, the alternate art we've been talking about for Volibear, which would be nice for Aurora decks, but as you can see, I don't get any of those. Okay. So 2 more left. See? We'll be taking this one. And also this one. No surprise, as expected. Let's see if there is another alternate card in one of these. Yeah, as you can see, my neighborhood is not that silent as well. I would bet one of these boosters here to the motor. Hello, Tom. Okay. Cruel Patron. Tarek. Shakedown. Okay. I like Tarek. One of my favorite to play characters in League of Legends. Should I say champion? Not playing him that much because I get bored fast of that kind of gameplay. And it brings a lot of good memories. And last one. What do you think we'll get here? I'll put my bet on Legend. Don't know which one. Not for last booster. It doesn't seem so. No, it's not gonna be a Legend. Okay, up. Sorry. Okay. Static Peak. Unlicensed Armory. We've already seen many of those. Tide Turner. Okay, I need one more for a playset. And the Harrowing. Okay, so only one showcase alternative art cards aside from the 2 rooms. Not that bad. But hey, that's what we get. And I thank you very much for watching this video, especially if you've seen it all the way through. I hope you enjoyed watching the thing I get in my boosters, in my booster box. Okay, see you in the next ones. Bye bye.